chose IE University, first of all, because I was really excited to study abroad in Madrid. I wanted to be in a country in Spain where I didn't speak the language. And I also was really excited about IE because they have a lot of integration between their technology program and their business program. My name is Claire Mahon. I'm a third-year student from the United States. I go to school in Boston at Northeastern University. I'm studying abroad here at IE this semester, and I'm in the computer science AI program, so in the science and technology school. And generally at my home university, I study data science and business administration. I think my favorite part about studying at IE has been that the professors really care about their students, and the class sizes are very small, so it's very engaging to be in class. All of my classes are mostly project-based, so we're learning and getting to use the skills that we're learning in the classroom through projects and through more real-world applications. It's very modern. I really like the student hubs on every couple of floors. And I think the surrounding area is really beautiful. It's nice to be able to have restaurants and areas outside of the classroom that you can also go with friends that you meet in class, for example. Yeah, so I have gone to some of the things with the IE exchange program. They put on a couple social events and language events that I've gone to. And then I'm also part of the sports analytics club. One of my professors in my AI machine learning foundations class started it this semester. So it's a really good application outside of class to get more opportunity to learn about how we can use machine learning algorithms with a sports analysis focus. I really like living in Madrid. I think it's a beautiful city, and I think it has a lot to offer in terms of culture and food, language, and I feel like I've learned a lot about myself being here. My advice to future visiting students would be to take advantage of all the different opportunities available through IE Connects. There are lots of opportunities based on your major or your study of interest, but also social events, language events, cultural events. So I think it's a really great opportunity to meet kids outside of your own classes and become more involved in the IE community while you're here.